guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought we'd do a really simple smoky look, and shall we just get to it? I'm going to prime my eyelids with the Too Faced Insurance 24-hour primer. Then I'm going to conceal my under eyes, and today I'm going to be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Neutral Tan. Pop it there. It's extremely bright. And then I'm going to take the Wycon concealer by Fiona May in the shade Caramel, and I'm going to pop that just underneath. Then with a damp beauty blender, I'm just going to blend that all in. Once that's nice and blended, I take a small fluffy brush and I take my Huda Beauty powder in the shade Kunafa. So I take a little bit of it, pop it in, dust off the excess, and just tap my under eyes slightly. Then I'm going to take my foundation, the Maybelline Super Stay 24-hour foundation in the shade Caramel. Just gonna pop it on my fingers. Just one pop is enough. And then put it together. And gonna wash my fingers and I'll be right back. So I'm back, and what we're gonna do now is we're gonna set the face back in with the Huda Beauty powder in the shade Kunafa. I'm just gonna take a big fluffy brush and just dab it in, bottom, chin, then the other side, the nose. Once that's done, we're just going to bronze and add some blush. For bronzer, I'm going to be using NARS in the shade Casino. I take an egg-shaped brush, like this one, and I just swirl it into the pan, and in circular motions, the hollows of my cheeks, I just bronze it. For blush, I'm going to be using NARS in the shade Taos. Taking my angled fluffy brush, I'm just going to swirl it in the pan and only apply some on the apples of my cheeks. Woo! Now, we're going to go to the smoky eyes. Ooh la la. I'm super excited. We're going to use one of my favorite palettes. It is Rivera by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm just going to show you guys the colors. Today we're going to be using 3 colors from this palette, which are... So we're getting up close and personal. Oh, birds chirping! And shall we start? So first thing, I love using the same brush. I'm just going to take the color Palm, which is the brown color at the end of the palette on the second row, and take a little bit of it, tap off the excess, and in the outer corner of my eye, draw a line like that. I start off that way and make my way to the center and create a V, and I fill in that V, right? And then same thing on the other side. Okay, now you have this down. The same color with a flat brush, like this. I just take it on the edge and I gently tap it underneath the eye, like so. And I only do it on the outer side to the middle. I don't go all the way in. Now, with the same brush, you're going to take the color Monte Carlo and just tap off the excess. And right in the middle of your eyelid, just add the color. I take the flat brush again, and with Monte Carlo, I go on the inside of my eye. Like that, so you have this color gradient. Now is the exciting bit. It is the shimmer bit. Now, with this specific product, this specific color, it's very creamy. So you can either use your fingers or you could use a normal brush to apply it. And because I want to create a more blended effect, I might use a brush. So it's a smaller eyeshadow brush and that gives me more control. From the inside, just blend it slowly to the outside. Look at that. So what I do is then I kinda create a cut crease vibe. I'm just gonna close my eyes so you can see. And I do the same for the other side. So it's almost like a cut crease, not really a cut crease, but it's easy, it's simple, and you can definitely do that. Yep. And I blend it in with the dark brown. Can you guys see? Going back in with the normal eyeshadow brush, I take the color Palm and just gently blend. Okay, so I know the sides look crazy, as you can see. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take a clean fluffy brush, yeah, blend out the side and the top of it. Once that's blended, I'm just gonna take Wet n Wild kohl eyeliner in the shade dark brown. I'm just gonna line my waterline and underneath like that. So now that that's done, mascara time! So you all know I use 3 mascaras and I'm going to show it in order so you all know what I use first, what I use second, and what I use third. First, I use the Wycon Love of My Life mascara. Then I use the Miss Sporty Pump Up Booster. And third, but never the least, the Maybelline Lash Sensational Multiplying Lash Mascara. I do it in order. Now going in with Miss Sporty. And lastly, the Maybelline Lash Sensational Multiplying Mascara. Right, then I'm just gonna go back with the Wycon Love of My Life mascara and just do the bottom eyelashes. Yes, my eyelashes are very long, so one coat is enough. Now, eyebrows. I'm gonna be taking Cyber Colors Auto Eyebrow Pen in the shade Dark Brown, and just with the spoolie that is connected to the pen. Oh, can you guys hear the puppy? My neighbor just got a new dog. His name is Bobo. So every morning at 6 o'clock we hear, Bobo, sit! Bobo, sit! Then the other day she was mad at the dog. She was mad at Bobo because he took her slipper. Then she said, Bobo, where is my slipper? Why you take my slipper? And she'll start screaming. It's quite funny. Alright, I'm gonna take my highlighter, my Too Faced highlighter in the shade You Light Up My Life. Just gonna take a small brush and brighten up the inner corner a little bit. Like that. And with an eyeshadow brush, just take a bit of it and put it in the brow bone area. Ta-da! Going back in with the highlighter, using a powder brush, I'm just going to highlight the high points of my face, like so. Woo! Yes. So this is how it looks with the highlighter. Now onto the lips. We're gonna use the Intense Lip Liner by Wycon in the shade Beyond. And it's a beautiful brown. I'm just gonna line my lips. Once I've lined my lips and kind of filled it in, I'm gonna take my favorite lipstick by NARS, and it is in the shade Slow Ride. And I just take a little bit of it and pop it all over my lips. And this is the final look, guys. If you like this look, like, comment, subscribe, share. Please let me know what you want to see more of in the comments below. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. So I'll see you soon. Bye!